Skyler! Hi guys! Hi guys! We're going to the mini zoo. Try namin hanapin yung mini zoo dito guys sa Alcor. Kasi first time pa namin makapunta dito. Mostly kasi sa ano kami sa Alcor Zoo. Kaso nandito lang kami, malapit lang. Init ng ano ngayon guys. Init ng panahon. Ang init ni Bob. Yep. Oh really? It's okay. Just wait. Bye. Let's go guys. Hanapin natin yung mini zoo guys dito sa Alcor. Kasi mostly dito tayo sa Alcor Zoo, gumagala at kabalad na. Ito yung sa Alcor Zoo, dalawa yun. May panda house.
What we're going today?
Nakabukod yun. Yes?
What we're going today?
Where are we going today?
The zoo have a playground. That zoo.
I'm not sure if there's a playground. But it's a mini zoo.
Where are we going today?
Where are we going today?
Going to the mini zoo, not the big zoo.
Where are we going
So,
today?
let's go guys!
I want the playground in mini zoo.
Oh, we are
Let's go guys!
What?
We are Team Blue.
Leaving us.
Mommy,
This is the first time we're
I thought-
here. And it's just around our
Dito na kami guys.
just around our house.
So, hanap tayo ng parking.
it's just like a beach.
Yeah, it's near the beach that we are going every time. The beach is just there.
What?
Yeah.
Bak bak. Bak bak.
Yes.
Bak 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 bak. Mommy, look, I'm a chicken. Bak 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 bak.
We're here.
I can't wait.
Can't wait. How about
We
Skyler?
don't need to bring the stroller. Skyler will just run around there.
Skyler!
Oh yeah.
Ito na yung mini
I
zoo dito
can't
guys.
wait.
May mga
I'm
tao na.
excited.
Yan oh. Oh, may mapaparating pa oh.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Why we did not know?
No, this beach. I mean, this zoo is here.
Nung naapo itong friend ni Teo sa McDo.
Yan. Skyler! Kunin natin si Skyler. Kalimutan natin ang tripod natin guys. Sky! We're here, Sky! Yeah. Yan o. Madami yung tao guys. Meron pala dito itong maliit na zoo. Yan o. Ngayon lang namin nalaman to guys. Yun. May nauna na kasi.
Hindi ka pa balwari sa rin mo.
Oo. Go kuya! Kuya! You can touch the back. You try to touch.
I'm scared. It's heading for the swings.
Yeah, he's free to walk around.
You can touch the back.
I'm nervous.
You can touch the tortoise. Kung napapansin nyo guys, halos mga taong yan ang nandito sa loob. Nakatira lang yan sa tapat dito sa mini zoo. At saka ang likuran dito ay yung beach na lagi namin pinupuntahan, yung Pakia Beach. So mostly, syempre yung mga anak nila, minsan kasi malapit lang yung mga bahay nila, dumidiretso na dito pagkatapos ng school, pagkahapon. Kaya laging merong may mga tao dito sa mini zoo na to. Oh, kuya, look! Over there! Come on! I told you there's a chicken.
Come here, there's a lot of chicken here. Come here.
Yan guys, sa likod na yan, yung makikita yung malawak na area. Yan yung beach kung saan lagi naming pinupuntahan. Yung pangalan ng beach niyan is Pagia Beach. Sa gilid naman may mga mangrove area kung saan daming camper van. Nag-camping at saka parang Pinas lang ah. Go. Look, sky. What's this sky? What's that? Here. What's that? Bird. It's a bird. Takot si Sky's bird. How about this? Chicken. Oh, mommy, oh, mommy. Go. Mommy's there. Go. Ano din pagkaon mo? Nami, that's plastic. Look at them, Sky.
Maligid si Sky.
Ayan, kabalo na. Slowly.
The bunnies?
Bunnies?
Yeah.
Let's try this side. Skyler!
I'm the king! I'm the king! I see the bunnies.
Maybe that side. There.
Hi there, bunny.
Bulingit to, Bunny.
Can we touch it? Can we feed it?
You,
Oh, what's that?
you try to get some food over there. There's a plastic bag, color blue. There's a bread. You try to get. Go.
I'll feed it.
Okay.
It's that Sky.
Only one bunny. Uh-oh. Hi, duck. Quack, quack, quack. A turkey. There's a turkey. There is a goat also.
Hello, guys.
Look at that. Look at the horn.
Guys. Horses.
No, that's a goat. There. Horses are there.
Oh, yeah.
Pony is there.
Hello, guys. Did you miss me? Come and get your friend.
Hi, Pony.
Come and get your friend. Me. Come and get me.
I don't know if they will allow us to get in. I think we just watch from here, Kuya.
God.
Bye. Here you go. How about that side?
It's so funny. Look, I'm in the tunnel. He's gonna bite you. Hey, run away, come here. Daddy, there's no way we can feed it.
There, but it's far.
What is that? What is that?
I forget the name. Yan, yan yata yung
Daddy, can you carry me?
yung sign dito sa tayo namin mga guys.
I'm water.
What about you, Sky? What happened to you? Hey. Ski. Oh. Sorry. Ang daming bata ito, guys. Yun. Magabi na. Bilis lang ano guys, oras magabi na naman kasi umalis kami mga 5, so time check 5, yeah 5:50.
Sakay daw si Sky, oh. Si Morris.
Go Skyler! Yan, mamaya uuwi na rin tayo. Sky, come here! Come, go! You right there. It's a sheep. Yeah, there's a sheep. Come on. Okay, wait. You stand. Sit up. Okay, wait. I will sit.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm scared.
Just like that. Don't be scared.
I'm like I'm flying.
Oh, it's so hard.
Daddy, my horse can do anything.
Yep.
I think he wants to ride.
Hmm?
I think my horse wants to ride the what?
Zebra?
My zebra. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. You can go now. Sakit tas tuhod eh. Sakit sa tuhod. See? He's eating. Look.
Why?
What's trapped?
Why?
Ano?
Where?
No, that lettuce. Oh yeah.
Why was dropping the lettuce?
No. Look how he eat. Ganyan siya kumain guys, oh.
Oh, what is swallowing it?
No, he's showing first.
What?
You have to chew first.
Ew! I never want to touch that. What?
Okay. See that? It's better that we bring cow.
Why?
They love carrot.
But you can lettuce.
Yeah. They love lettuce and cabbage. They love a vegetable. Why are you scared? He's eating.
But what if they eat me?
No.
Oh, look at his nose.
They will just eat vegetable and food.
But that girl ride on it.
What?
The turtle.
What? Skateboard.
But she's not she's riding it.
What? Look at the boy. He tried to feed him with the grass, leaves. Maybe he will not eat that one. Only the vegetable kuya he will eat. Madilim na guys. Uuwi na tayo. Yan, kunti lang, ilan lang. Meron dito yung tortoise, manok. Tinatawag nila na mini zoo dito. Yeah, bye guys.
Bye,
It's
Baby.
6:30 in the evening. 6:30 na guys, so madilim na. So, yung ibang poste nila walang ilaw, kaya mas madilim dito sa part. Itong sa likuran namin. So, next time again. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yun lang for today guys. So, see you next video guys.
What do you think the name of the turtle